us today. Hopefully minimum issues with the old girl. It's kind of cold out. A brisk October Sunday. Yeah. Feels good to be back though, boys. It's a good vibe. Nothing like shredding, you know? Ooh, that stinks. Channel, we got Scott and my mom on the Razor 1000. What's it called? XP, whatever, turbo. I don't know what the hell it's called. Obviously, I'm on the 850 Highlifter. Jesus, I don't even know what we have anymore. That Polaris is sweet, but he gets it stuck a lot. For making me go up that.
I was coming down to get you.
That's
We've done that before.
I couldn't remember if we did or not. That turn at the top is so sketchy. I had to walk up
Well,
it.
there was no way. I was coming down to get you, but then you were behind it.
My four-wheel is like this on that hill. I'm like on the side like this, walking up the fucking hill. Like Jesus
and
Christ.
Like, we went up this before, and then we went up top, and Justin goes, Michael didn't want to do it. And I'm like, all right, well, we'll go back down and get him. I just couldn't turn around. I was trying to get
Well, he went. I'm like, fuck it.
It was very sketchy.
So sketchy. I knew. Whatever. hate them railroad ties. Hurts my back.
How's the clunking going? You doing all right?
Yeah, not bad. My tire's hitting my fenders really bad.
Your tire is hitting your fenders.
Yeah.
Which tire?
My belt started slipping.
This is the only one I was nervous about. He's got
Yeah.